Hey everyone, in today's video we'll be talking about how to fix disk write error on Steam. So let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to close Steam right here. And basically we're just going to go into the taskbar, right click and click on Task Manager. Once you have opened Task Manager, is that you want to go into details, and from here you want to find Steam. And just right click on Steam right here and click on and process tree. And once all the processes of Steam has been ended, you want to open up Steam again. And from here, run as administrator and click on yes. Next is that you would want to click here on continue and just open your Steam app right here. So there it is. It has now been opened. And once you're here, is that you want to click here on Steam on the top left and click on settings. And from here, you basically want to go into download, and here in the download region, make sure that you are closely located into the location that you have set right here. And then next is you want to go here into clear download cache. You basically want to clear the cache and click on confirm. But remember, it would restart the Steam and you will need to log in again. So if you're okay with that, then you can proceed right here. Once you have done that, then your problem should now be fixed by now. If not, then you can also do this extra step, which is by navigating to the game that you're having trouble with and right clicking on it, click on properties. And from here, you basically want to go into the installed files and verify the integrity of game files. Click here and just wait for this to finish loading right here, verifying your files. And once you're done with that, your error should now be fixed. If not, then your only choice would be to reinstall Steam. So basically just uninstall Steam right here and then just install Steam back again in your website. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.